So what this is actually a cord that does pretty much everything. It can charge every device that I have out here. So I'm going to show you how this thing works. I've already had it out and put it to the test and used it here. So looking over it here, it kind of just looks like a normal type of, you know, lightning cable. I love cables that have their own little built-in kind of wrapping system right there. Look at that. And let me show you what this is. This is a iPhone, or this right here is a lightning charger. That is a lightning port charger, which goes to any type of phone that uses a lightning port. The newer ones use USB-C, so check that out. If you have a Samsung or a newer iPhone, it's got USB-C on it. And if you have a smartwatch or like an Apple Watch or maybe even some, you know, AirPods, I think they have magnetic charging. Look at that. That has a magnetic charge on it. So technically you could charge a Apple Watch, a Samsung, or any type of newer iPhone and a lightning port. And then on this side, you're like, oh, it's a USB-A. Well, check it out. It's also a USB-C connect. So I have a power bank here. You've got USB-C in and out, which gives you a higher rating on there. Okay, we see right there. So what I'm going to do, let's go ahead. Let's try the Apple Watch first. So trying the Apple Watch. Boom. Charging the Apple Watch. It is officially charging. How about the iPhone? Lightning cable. iPhone is charging. Apple Watch is charging. How about my batteries for my camera? Will it charge these two? USB-C. It's charging that too. How much is it pulling? 5.2 volts, 2.6 amps of pull on that, all on that one cable. So it's charging every device is charging right now. Let's move it up a little bit so you can see it. That's charging that. 3 devices at once are charging. Let's go ahead and let's try and see if it works as a USB-A. So they're all not charging now. Watch. They're all charging. Is that not awesome? Everybody, this is one of the best cables I've seen available. If you need a cable where you could charge every type of device that you have, I know the newer AirPods take a USB-C also, so they're going to have to use that right there. So you could charge AirPods, iPhone, Apple Watch, all with one cable. And it's a very high quality cable. It looks really nice. Out of this is pulling 2.3, so it pulls the same on either one. And the fact that you can plug USB-C in or a USB-A adapter on there, that's really cool. I like that feature a lot. And looking over the back, it doesn't look like there's much info on the back. It just says 321 and iPhone 16 through 13 SE, anything like that. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the, you know, the Autallgee multi-cable charger. See you all in the next video.